What is Forex trading? Forex trading sounds complicated, but it's actually one of the simplest markets to understand. I'm Chris, and today I'll explain Forex in plain language. Forex means foreign exchange. You are trading one currency against another. For example, EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY. When you trade Forex, you're asking one question: will this currency go up or down compared to the other? If you think EUR will rise against USD, you buy. If you think EUR will fall, you sell. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Beginners like Forex because you can trade small amounts, you don't need millions to start, and you can profit in both directions. But flexibility doesn't mean easy. Without discipline, Forex punishes mistakes fast. Comment Forex if this explanation finally made sense. Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, because next we'll talk about pips, and this is where most beginners get confused.